This dinosaur one of the best marine reptiles that I've ever met. Tonight we're going to draw a Tylosaur. He's a marine reptile. And one of the stars from the greatest prehistoric series, Sea Monsters, a prehistoric adventure. These sea animals are amazing. That's why I came up with the idea to draw him. Alexa, what is a Tylosaur?
From fandom.com. Tylosaurus is a large species of mosasaur from the western interior sea of North America during the Late Cretaceous period.
Here's the teeth. If there's one thing I love, it's drawing dinosaurs with my fan club. So far, this playlist is going out long and smoothly. And finished. That's how you draw a Tylosaur. One of the greatest sea monsters that have ever lived. This amazing sea animal goes out to everyone who watches this show. Good night, guys. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe. And let me know what amazing animal you want me to draw in the next episode. I'm always here, and I won't stop until I draw all the dinosaurs.